Cicada 3301 is often referred to as the Internet's most elaborate and mysterious puzzle, one that often leaves cryptoanalysts and hackers scratching their heads. A sort of cross between a contest, job interview, and highly complex puzzle, Cicada 3301 recurs each year, but no one knows who is behind it or what prize awaits the person who solves it. The first Internet puzzle appeared online on January 5, 2012, and 2 subsequent rounds were released on the same day of the following years. During the first year, Cicada 3301 started with a picture on 4chan, along with the message, "Hello. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. There is a message hidden in this image. Find it, and it will lead you on the road to finding us. We look forward to meeting the few that will make it all the way through." The message was simply signed 3301. The ensuing puzzle focused heavily on data security, cryptography and steganography. The clues were scattered in locations all over the world, from the US to France and Poland, within various forms of communication including the Internet, telephone, bootable Linux CDs, digital images, and physical paper signs. The clues have also referenced several books, poetry, artwork and music. Clues are always signed by the same cryptic private key to confirm authenticity. Interestingly, there was a new message from Cicada was posted on Reddit a few weeks later. "Hello. We have now found the individuals we sought. Thus our month-long journey ends. For now." And then everything went quiet, ending just as abruptly as it had begun. Of course, Cicada 3301 released new puzzles in 2013 and 2014 with the message, "Hello again. Our search for intelligent individuals now continues." But no new puzzle has appeared on January 5, 2015. No one is closer to knowing the source of it all, but Erickson insists that that's the beauty of it. It is impossible to know for sure until you have solved it all.